To download and install the Western Union app, start by accessing the App Store on your device. Either the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Search for Western Union in the search bar. And from the search results, select the Western Union app. Click the Install or Get button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to enter your password or use fingerprint or face recognition to authenticate the download. Once the download is complete, click the Open button to launch the app. If you are not automatically directed to the app, go to your device's home screen and find the Western Union app icon. Then click on it to open. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions of the app. Read through them carefully. Then click the Accept button. Next, you will be asked to create a profile or login if you already have an existing Western Union account. If you are creating a new profile, enter your email address, create a password, and provide some basic information such as your name and address. If you are logging in, enter your email address and password. After logging in or creating your profile, you will be asked to verify your identity. This is a security measure to ensure your transactions are secure. You may be asked to provide identification documents such as a driver's license or passport. And you may also be asked to take a selfie to verify your identity. Once you have completed the verification process, you can start using the Western Union app to send and receive money. You can add recipients, check exchange rates, and track your transactions. The app also allows you to pay bills and purchase money orders. To ensure your transactions are secure, always use a secure internet connection. And never share your login credentials with anyone. Regularly update your app to ensure you have the latest security features and functionality.